Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Karim from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm making a very low budget, very quick, and healthy dish today. I got a can of black beans, a can of green beans, two chicken thighs worth of chicken that I pre-made, lemon chicken, and I have half a box of whole wheat spaghetti, and pre-boiled already. This is boneless chicken. I made it earlier with just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and same thing with the can of beans. I heated up the black beans with a little salt and pepper, just green beans just like that, heated them up in the microwave a little bit. Then I have this gravy. I made it with the 1 chicken cube, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Everything cooked together made a nice gravy. After pouring the gravy, we will gently mix the pasta. We are not going to make a mushy, messy thing. Just very gently, few times toss it. We are ready to serve. There you go. Heat it up before you serve it and add a little bit of hot pepper oil or any hot sauce that you like. Add few slices of fresh lime or lemon. And that's about it. We're ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up or leave some feedback if you like my cooking or if you don't like my cooking. Either way, thank you. I will appreciate that very much. Let's eat now. I'll see you later. Bye.